The United Democratic Party, UDP, is gearing up for the upcoming elections to the Khasi Hills and Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council, Khadc, scheduled for February 21, 2025. Party Working President Tito Starwell Khan confirmed that the UDP plans to contest the majority of seats in both councils, with the first list of the candidates already released. The second list will be out by the end of this year and the final list in early January 2025. Khan also stated that the party might not field candidates in one or two constituencies due to the existing agreements with the Hills State People's Democratic Party, HSPDP.
Yang parti UDP nila pengkrean, kemudian first list yang candidate nila ada release, di mentaruh perai siapa ikut muslim ni saya release saya second list. Nama tidak dan shoot napo Jhadc Hills, berbentuk napo Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Aku ni declare saya second list nanta how January bat kan sadan saka third list. Kumbalong himanta ki ngilak pengkreat na barok ki Jan Barok konstitusi. Let's say light not away are let's say konstitusi ngilak bukan dia mengi dan berkaitan setuju jemut bakat tu ni ki nang yang jangka jangki bagi parti kan HSPDP